holy cow, this is a super bright work light. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this rechargeable work light. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Okay, this thing is awesome. First of all, you can mount it just about anywhere. It has a magnet for metal surfaces, it has a hook for hanging at places, and it has the 2 clamps on the side to clamp it wherever you need to. And holy cow, is this thing bright. So as you can see, we mounted it a few different places and turned it on so you could really see how bright it is. Word of caution though, if you drop it from a high distance onto a concrete floor, one of the clamps might break off. Totally not a design flaw, more of a, oops, yeah, we did that. And yeah, we did super glue it back on after, so no worries. So as you can see here, when it's clamped on the front of the wheelbarrow, one of the clamps is missing. That's because we dropped it. But you can see here, we use it as a guiding light with the wheelbarrow when we went outside to feed the cats. You can use this as a headlight for when you're hauling firewood around. Like, this thing is amazing. Look at how it lights up the entire yard. This light is awesome. It also does have multiple brightness settings. It's USB-C rechargeable, which I love. It is an amazing work light for many situations. It would even be great for camping. We recommend this.